Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be making a review of this portable power station that I made. I know there are some people who are having power issues, power has gone, some people are traveling from one place to another and they are not sure whether where they are going there is power. Okay, so I made this 500 watt portable power station. This is the GI 500. This is the GI 500. It is only 500 watts. So what is it capable of doing? It is capable of powering these normal devices that we use. It is suitable for emergencies. Actually, this is also good for travelers, people who travel from place to place. So it also has a remote. This is a remote. It can be used to control it, as I'm going to be showing you very soon. I also designed for it a USB. This is a USB phone charger. I can use it to charge, as I'm going to be showing you. It also has a charger. This is the charger that I use for charging it. This is compatible with both hydro and solar. So if I don't have umeme or yaka, I can use solar to charge it. Okay, so it's fine to be well. So it can also support this small rice cooker. This is a 250 watt rice cooker. So okay, let's go into how they use it. So I'm going to start with charging it. If you want to charge it, I have a port here. You can connect here your solar. If I'm selling it to you, I sell it to you with a connector onto which you connect the wires for the solar panel, and then you put inside here. Okay, you put inside here. So if you are using hydro, the hydro charger is already here. This is the charger for hydro or Ryaka. So you just get this charger, put it inside, and then you put into electricity. Let me demonstrate for you, because the problem is it's the one I'm using even for the bulb, because it's night. So you can see the wire comes from here, and as soon as I remove it, we go in darkness. I just go in darkness. So when I put it back, the bulb goes on. Okay, I'm going to turn on the bulb. I'm going to turn on this one for Yaka, and then I can show you properly. So if I'm charging it, I just get this charger, I put it at the back. It has a pin, compatible pin. Then I have my extension. I fit it inside there. I come and I switch on. When I switch on, here I think you all see the green light. When I remove it, the green light goes off. I put it back. Put it back. It starts doing what? Charging. So there was this button. This button is for checking the voltage. Now this is 12.9. When it's full, it is 14.4. Okay, so I think even when I remove it, you will see it going to 12.8. Put it back, it goes back to 12.9. This is a clear indicator that it's charging. It has that LED. So let's continue. So this portable power station has a bulb. I had to remove it from up. Now I'm using the one for hydro just to show you. So it has a bulb. The bulb has a pin into which I fit. Even if I turn off this, okay, so you just fit it in. Then it also has a switch for turning it on and off. So this bulb is bright, really bright. So if I want to charge my phone, I have this. I designed this small charger. I try to design it to make it compatible in a way that you just fit it inside and then the bulb lights. Okay, when I remove it, I put it inside. This one will give you, this one supports fast charging. Yeah, this is a fast charger, so it can give you around 5.2 volts. It can give you also 9 volts for some phones with the fast charger. It can also give you 12 volts and 24 volts depending on the device you use. So even if you are having a laptop, I can also use this very one, because now modern laptops use Type-C. So I'm going to demonstrate charging my power bank. So I have to put this USB into this. So I have to plug in my USB, and then I'm going to use my power bank. So when I plug in my power bank, you notice that it has started doing what? Charging. It's now charging. When I remove it, it stops. Put it in, it will start doing what? Charging. So someone may say, now me, I'm having a TV, the TV does not have this, so it's charging. Okay, so I can also use it for charging the phone. So someone may say, now suppose me, I want to use my original charger. You can use your normal charger. So it has also these AC outlets. I come here, I put in my charger. Let me just use an extension to show you that the AC outlet works. So just get your extension, or you can put in your appliance directly. Then there was this switch. When I switch it on, you see the extension lights. Then I can also switch it off, and then the bulb will go off. So I can also decide to cook food. If at all I have something which I want to cook, I can simply put my rice cooker inside. This is just a test. It can be your TV, it can be your fan. So are you seeing? It's lighting. Then if I want to cook, it works well. Okay, so I can now switch it off. Yeah, so besides that, I told you it has a remote. How do we use the remote? This has two modes. The mode for turning on the remote system and turning it off. I did this because I know the remote may get lost, or it may reach a time and it's spoiled and it cannot work. As you know, these things, suppose it falls into water, just in case of those things, I can use this without a remote. So I'm having a button here. When I click this button like this, I have turned on the remote system. So I come and I press this button to stabilize it. So if I want to turn this off, I press here. So I'm going to show you. Let me bring the extension closer, and you are going to be able to see what I'm talking about. So are you seeing? When I press the remote, the light for the extension goes on. Actually, let me just use this very bulb. Let me use this very bulb to control it. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Are you seeing? When I press the remote, it turns on. Press the remote, I turn it off. Let me extend a little bit such that you can see even the extension. Have to put it here. Press the remote, off. Let me extend the bulb somewhere so that you can have a clear image. And I put on the extension, that when I press the remote, you see the bulb going on. Press the remote, the bulb goes off and the extension. Now suppose I want the extension only but not the bulb. I'll first turn on the remote, press the remote, everything goes on. Then there was this button. I press the button, the extension will remain on, or the AC system will remain on, but the bulb will go off. Now if I don't want this, the extension to go on, I think you can see the lighting. So if I don't want this to go on, but I want the bulb only, I just press this button here. Then this will go off and then the bulb will light. So even if I'm in my bed, I can simply press the remote, then I switch off the entire system. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Nice time. By the way, it also has a DC to DC cable. So if I'm having my router, I just place it inside, or a TV that supports this DC to DC. Then at this back end, this end, I just press it into my router or my TV, because there are some TVs which support this, and then I'll be good to go. Yeah.